I'm Deborah Bossio, and I was born and raised in California. I'm currently working for the Nature Conservancy as a lead scientist, trying to bring the best global knowledge about soils and also agricultural practices in general to implementation programs, like where we're actually trying to change the way farming is practiced around the world. So I've been working a lot on trying to bring the science that practitioners are asking me for. So for example, they're saying, what do we know about soil carbon sequestration for climate change? Is it actually a real thing, or is it like just an idea that some scientists had? So I've been working on global studies that look at the potential for soil carbon sequestration for climate to try to answer the big question. Is it relevant? Is it important? Should we be doing it? And then the other thing that people ask me a lot is, well, can we get money for it? That's a big question that I've been getting. So I've also been doing a lot of work trying to understand how the carbon markets are working and how soil is interacting with the carbon markets. And when you look at that, then you get into all these questions that people have misunderstandings about soil, say around what is permanence? Is soil carbon permanent? So we've been working on that topic too, because that's what people wanted to know about. How to understand soil carbon permanence. So I was there at the beginning of the 4 per 1,000 initiative in some of the early meetings and at the COP where it was launched and signed. And I was so excited because this was the first thing that really articulated the importance of the role of soil in the climate change debate. So that brought climate change together with then people and land degradation, all these other issues, and food that we'd already been working on, sort of brought it in context of climate. So I was really excited about that. And what it also did was it exploded the debate and the need for science to communicate properly to, decision makers and policy makers and everyone else. Before that, soil science could work in its little lane and happily work and write its papers in its little, with its guardrails of who it spoke to in soil conferences. And after the 4 per 1,000, that was all exploded. And we no longer have the luxury to sit in our lanes, and we had to get out. And so I think the 4 per 1,000 is still trying to get science and scientifically founded solutions out into the mainstream. So that's why I joined the STC this year.